If you survived till now, so congratulations, you are getting closer to one of the most interesting topics in programming and in JavaScript. Today video we will learn about arrays in JavaScript. Let's create a variable fruits, and we will do like symbol like this, open and close square brackets, and write apple. Again, the next one like when it's strings, banana, and the next one is cherry. So what are arrays? In the variables we can have a single value. Yes, we can assign a single value in variables, but we also can assign a few value in the single variable. The data type named as array. So you imagine you have a single box that has inside a few boxes, and you can like put a different values there, if different thing. Or for example, you have a wallet and you put, and it has a few different places that you can put different like cash, coins, and different things. So the same is array. You have a single like array, and you can put a few different values. Even it can be like just a number. Like as you remember, we have some specific data types in JavaScript, so you can put one of the data types into array. Like never write hi here because it is a variable name, and it will look to a variable, and we will get an hi is not defined, an error, because it will look to that value. Just if you will do string, it will work. Let's put cherry. And let's now try to print one of our values. How to print banana, for example. Okay, let's start from printing the first element of the array, fruits. So we need to do like this. Okay, we need to create this, put this symbol, and here 0. What we will get here? We'll get apple, because 0 is the first element of the array. So array is an index. Like in the regular life, we will say like first, it is in the first index, second index, and third index, yes? But it is not the same in arrays. It starts from 0. Remember, it always starts with 0. It is 0 indexed, first, and the second. If I want to print banana, I need to like write 1 here, and I will get the first element of, not the first, but element in the first index. The first element here is apple, it will be 0 index. And if we want to have a cherry, we will do like 2, and we will get cherry. So how to add an element to array? You can also do fruit. And on the third element, I want to do like hey, just some random word. And let's just print fruits array here. And we will get apple, banana, cherry, and hay. So there is also one way how to just clean or array data. You can, there is one method when you put dot and do length, and you get how long is our array. Like we have 4 elements, yes, 1, 2, 3, and here a single element. Length is not counting from 0, like it's say like 1, 2, 3, 4 array. But indexes, if we want to get data from array, it starts from 0, 1, 2, and 3. Hey is in the third index. If you will like just clean the length value of an array, the length method. So if you will do it here, length equal is 0, and just print fruit, what we will get? An empty array. Like it will remove all elements in the array. There are also some array methods that let us to add an element to an array, like remove from there at the beginning, at the end. About the methods we will learn in a separated video. I want to teach you just a concept of arrays, and then we will learn the array methods. So create an array for yourself, put different data and try to print them, or even you can override. You can just put on the second index, it 1, 2, 3 cherry, you can put hey there, and let's see, we replaced cherry with hey, apple, banana, and hey. Pretty easy and pretty useful. It is one of the most useful and used data type in all programming languages. Like almost every interview questions, every issue, a lot of things you will solve with arrays. So super important thing, and we will deep dive into arrays in the next videos. So follow and see you on the next video.